Alright, hey guys, over here we have a Casablanca Panama 2 in nickel. This is a fan that I got quite a while ago. I believe I actually got this from Dan. I do already have a video of this, however I wanted to make a remake since I found a nickel light kit for it. I really hated the original screw-on dome light kit. I really don't care for those too much. They're okay depending on the shade, but I really didn't like the shade that was on it. But anyways, I tossed on a set of short walnut blades, and I do really like this quite a bit. Like it came from eBay. Actually, while we're on that subject, just because I hated the like it so much, I actually tossed this on eBay for a while. But yeah, now I think it's going to be part of my possession for quite a while. I don't really plan on getting rid of it now that I've got a proper K4S light kit, new in the box. So, give it a walk around. Blades are not perfect. They were kind of a dinged up set. I found at Habitat. They're actually not too bad. So the tips are kind of screwed up on a couple of them. Put some kind of generic shades on here. I didn't want to go with alabaster because that's kind of overplayed, especially on nickel fans. I think these actually came off of a Hunter Continental, or Continental, the 4-blade Beacon Hill, or Bacon Hill as some of us like to call it. Anyways, let's go ahead and go through the demonstration mode. This fan, I believe, was made on March 8th, 2007. It kind of makes me want to find a nickel Ventura. Because the Ventura to me just kind of looks a little bit better with the smaller blades. I don't know, just me though. Yeah, I don't know what's up with these blades. This particular set seems like it makes every fan I put them on wobble. It could just be because it's small and like any little imperfection makes it wobble, but I've had particular issues with this set alone. Yeah, okay, so there's that. Alright, speed 1. Kind of fast as one would expect from a 42-inch fan. Yeah, just have a standard 42-inch fan. I was thinking 40 for some reason. Go to speed 2. Speed 3. Speed 4. Already getting a decent breeze over here. That wobble start to set in. Speed 5. course, it does fly because, you know, just might have, you know, a little bit of an overpowered motor for the 6 blades. Yeah, I do really like this with the K4S. Just not feeling the K1HC or something like that. I can't remember what the heck those are even called. Yeah, I still have it down here actually. Yeah, there it is. Have that anywhere on here? No, yeah, K1C-45. So 45 is a nickel. Yeah, not not my particular cup of tea, that's for sure. Alright, well there's my nickel Casablanca Panama 5. Hope you guys enjoyed and thanks for watching.